What's up guys, my name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this Vegas tutorial I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to remove the background from something and replace it, because I'm super stoked to make this video, because the last version I did was like in Sony Vegas Pro 13 years ago, and people have been asking me, Alex, how do you remove the background and replace it? So in this video I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. And guys, I have something really cool that I wanted to show you guys, because you guys know that I've been, running this giveaway. And guess what? The doorbell rang for like an hour ago, and check out what the hell arrived. So these are two physical copies of Vegas Movie Studio 15. So I'm not kidding guys, we're gonna give away two of those. So make sure to go ahead and enter in the description down below. You guys can check it there, and I'll be giving away two of those box copies on June the 4th, because it ends on June the 3rd. So June 3rd the giveaway closes, and on June 4th I will announce both winners. So make sure that you don't miss out on that, and I would say let's go into Vegas Pro 15, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to remove the background from anything. Okay guys, now that we are in Vegas Pro 15, we are going to go ahead and replace the background. Well, first remove it and then replace it. I want to mention that if you're gonna do this, your background has to be a solid color. It's not gonna work if you have, for example, like if you set your camera down at something and you have some like leaves on the background and you're gonna put a green chroma key on it. It's not gonna look very nice. So you have to need like a solid color or a solid background in order to do this. So what I did is I went outside and I just filmed this huge tree that's around our house. I'm gonna just remove the background that you see all around the tree. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So make sure to smash the like button down below for this tutorial, and I would say let's get started. So we're gonna start off with adding a little bit more brightness and contrast to it, because I think that this clip really needs that. So we're gonna go to the video effects tab, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna look for the brightness and contrast, which is this one. We're gonna drag on the default one, and we're gonna just go ahead and adjust this bar a little bit. So as you can see, the color gets a little bit more pure and everything. So now that we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and apply the chroma key on top of it. So we're still gonna be in the video effects tab, and we're gonna look for the chroma key, which is this one. We're gonna drag on the default one on top of the clip, and we're gonna just uncheck it for now. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this little blue bar. Then we're gonna pick this pencil icon, and we're gonna pick, for example, an area right here. Then we're gonna just go ahead and do that. Now we're gonna re-enable the chroma key, and as you can see right now, the background starts to disappear. It turns black. So what you want to do is you want to mess around with this low threshold marker like that, as you can see, and then you can also just go ahead and mess with the low threshold, everything like that. So what we're gonna do now is, as you can see, the background is just completely dissolved. You can also just go ahead and mess around a little bit more in the color picker right here, as you can see, like that, so that the wall at the left and the window on the right will just stay with their original color. So now that we've done that, we're gonna just adjust this in a second, guys. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna add in another background. I just found a nice galaxy online. I'm gonna drag that in real quick.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is the galaxy, as you guys can see. And what we're gonna do is we're not gonna put this one over the top, on top of the clip. We're gonna create a new video track, and we're gonna just go ahead and drag it down, and we're gonna put the galaxy or just any background that you like. We're gonna put that one in between the clip. Now if you go ahead, and as you can see right now the color is completely dissolved, and right now we have a custom, as you can see, background. Now I'm gonna also add a little bit more brightness and contrast to the galaxy, as you can see, so it spices up a little bit more. So if I go ahead and play it back, as you can see, this is how you do it. And if you're not happy yet with the end result, you can just go back to the chroma key settings, and you can just go ahead and mess around, as you can see, with the low threshold and the high threshold to really make it pop and stand out. So guys, this is how you replace and remove the background in Vegas Pro 15. That's how simple it is. Just get a background that's like a solid color, go ahead and apply a chroma key on top of it, pick whatever color the background has, and then as you can see, we remove the background. We can replace that with anything. I'm just gonna drag in a random thumbnail. As you guys can see right now, this is basically the thumbnail of yesterday's video, which I will be linking down in the description. And if I play it back, this is the background basically removed, so it is that awesome, it is that simple as well. And guys, I just want to give a quick shout out to Magix for hooking me up with a brand new giveaway, because we're giving away 2 physical box copies of Vegas Movie Studio Platinum. So I'll show you guys a little clip of the giveaway right here. What's happening, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and I am super excited to bring this video for you guys today, because today, when you're watching this video right now, the giveaway has opened. I'm gonna give away 2 copies of Vegas Movie Studio 15 Platinum. Magix and I worked together real closely to arrange this giveaway. Make sure to check out the link in the description and don't miss out, because this giveaway ends on June the 3rd, exactly 1 month from now. So for the people that have watched yesterday's video, know that I'm going to announce the giveaway, which is today, which is open right now. So make sure to don't click off yet, because I have some very important things to tell you guys. So right when this video is done, make sure to enter the giveaway. So if you guys want to see that full video, make sure to check out the description, and I'll also leave the link to enter in the giveaway in the description as well, so you guys can go ahead and enter. So that's it, guys. I want to thank you for watching, thank you for the continued support, and thank you so much for almost 200,000 subscribers. We're only like 11,000 or something away like that. Really close. So I want to thank you guys for that. I'll catch you guys in a brand new video tomorrow, as always, on the channel. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.